Have you ever wondered how some of the most successful online businesses got their start, not just in terms of their brilliant ideas, but in how they reached a wider audience and built a loyal customer base? What if I told you there's a powerful strategy that allows individuals and businesses to partner with established brands, earning commissions by promoting products or services they genuinely believe in? Today, we're diving deep into an incredible opportunity that's often overlooked by aspiring entrepreneurs and content creators: the affiliate program. Specifically, we're going to pull back the curtain on the Tailor Brands affiliate program. If you're a designer, a small business consultant, a content creator focused on entrepreneurship, or simply someone looking for a legitimate way to diversify their income streams, then pay close attention. This could be the game changer you've been searching for. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the Tailor Brands program itself, let's set the stage by understanding what an affiliate program even is. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Think of it like this: you become a brand ambassador, recommending a product or service to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you get a cut of the sale. It's a win-win. The company gets new customers, and you get compensated for your influence. Now, why is this relevant to Tailor Brands? Because Tailor Brands is a leading platform that empowers entrepreneurs to build their brand identity from the ground up. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools, including AI-powered logo design, website builders, business card creation, social media branding, and even help with legal documentation like LLC formation. In essence, they simplify the often complex process of launching and branding a new business. This brings us to the crux of our discussion: the Tailor Brands affiliate program. This program offers you a fantastic opportunity to partner with a reputable brand that provides essential services to a massive and ever-growing market, new and small businesses. Imagine being able to help someone realize their entrepreneurial dreams while simultaneously earning a commission. That's the power of this program. So, how does it work? The Tailor Brands affiliate program is straightforward. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll gain access to a unique affiliate link. This link tracks every visitor you send to the Tailor Brands website. When one of your referrals makes a purchase, whether it's a logo design package, a website subscription, or any other service offered by Tailor Brands, you earn a commission on that sale. The beauty of it is that Tailor Brands handles all the customer service, product delivery, and payment processing. Your role is simply to drive qualified traffic to their platform. Let's talk about the potential. The commission structure is competitive and attractive. While the exact percentages can vary and are subject to change, Tailor Brands is known for offering generous payouts, often a significant percentage of the sale value. This means that even a few successful referrals can translate into substantial earnings. Furthermore, the average order value on Tailor Brands is often quite high, as entrepreneurs are investing in their foundational branding. This translates to higher potential commissions per sale. Who is this program ideal for? If you run a YouTube channel or blog about entrepreneurship, small business tips, graphic design, or web development, then you're perfectly positioned to leverage this program. Imagine creating content that walks your audience through the process of designing a logo with Tailor Brands or building a website using their intuitive tools. Within that content, you naturally integrate your affiliate link, providing a valuable resource to your viewers while also creating an income stream for yourself. But it's not just for established content creators. Are you a business consultant who regularly advises startups on branding? You can recommend Tailor Brands as a trusted resource and earn a commission for each referral. Are you a freelance designer who has clients who need a quick and affordable logo? You can direct them to Tailor Brands and benefit from the partnership. The possibilities are truly diverse. One of the key advantages of promoting Tailor Brands is the high conversion rate of their platform. Their user-friendly interface, powerful AI tools, and comprehensive offerings make it incredibly appealing to new and existing businesses alike. When you send traffic to a platform that genuinely helps solve a problem for your audience, the likelihood of them converting into paying customers is significantly higher. This directly impacts your earning potential. Another strong point is the sheer breadth of services Tailor Brands offers. It's not just about logo design anymore. They've expanded into website creation, digital business cards, social media post makers, and even business formation services. This means you have a wider range of products to promote, catering to different needs within the entrepreneurial journey. A potential customer might come to Tailor Brands for a logo, but then realize they can also get their website and business cards done there, leading to a larger total sale and a higher commission for you. How do you get started with the Tailor Brands affiliate program? The process is generally straightforward. You'll typically need to visit their affiliate program page, fill out an application form, and provide some details about your website, audience, and how you plan to promote Tailor Brands. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, which will provide you with your unique tracking links, marketing materials, and performance reports. The marketing materials are a huge plus. They often provide banners, text links, and even email templates to help you effectively promote their services. To maximize your success with the Tailor Brands affiliate program, focus on providing genuine value to your audience. Don't just spam your link everywhere. Instead, create helpful tutorials, honest reviews, and compelling content that genuinely showcases how Tailor Brands can benefit your viewers or readers. Share your own experiences, success stories, and practical tips. The more value you provide, the more trust you build, and the more likely your audience is to convert through your link. Think about the long-term game. As an affiliate, you're building a relationship with both Tailor Brands and your audience. By consistently delivering high-quality content and promoting valuable services, you solidify your reputation as a trusted resource. This not only leads to more affiliate sales, but also strengthens your overall brand and influence within your niche. The beauty of affiliate marketing, and specifically the Tailor Brands program, lies in its scalability. There's no limit to how many referrals you can send or how much commission you can earn. As your audience grows and your content strategy evolves, so too can your affiliate income. It's a truly passive income stream once your content is out there, continuing to generate revenue long after you've created it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.